An unusual occurrence in a courthouse. Out of protest, this man, Musa Inua, climbed the telecommunication mast with aims of taking his life. Inua gave the police some conditions for him to come down from the mast.
Now money, that be a problem.
He said if he did not see
article to come here to really say they are going to pay his money, he cannot come.
That is it.
But let's speak to him, tell him I said he should come down. I will take him before the IG, who will listen to him properly and then will take a redress. Okay, talk to him.
He also rejected appeals by officials of the National Emergency Management Agency. While rescue operatives were still strategizing for the next line of action, a man displaying a piece of paper believed to be a court process Inua attempted to file at the court registry but was thrown out for lack of jurisdiction did the magic. The man came down from the mast and was received with an applause by onlookers.
Please, journalists, go back. Hey, all journalists, go back. Only security agencies, police, move them away, police.
Marlon Inua was then led away by the police. Spokesman for the Federal Capital Territory Police Command said Inua will be taken into protective custody while the case is being investigated.
The next thing is to investigate, to actually know what prompted, what has happened, and know what the line of action will be.
Indeed, an accident or death, as the case may be, has been averted. Nigerians will have to wait for the outcome of the police interrogation to know the facts of his story. Amaka Nwajugo, Channels Television News.